I spend more time in my own mind than my own life, drowning in tears, swimming in the sea of our dreams. Yeah. I spend more time in my own mind than my own life. Wanting
my dreams come true.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. You, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get all the notifications, because I upload 4 times a week, plus more, and then some more, okay? And this cutie that I'm wearing right here is Janet Collection's Moon. I do have a video either up or coming up on Moon. And then this is a braided headband from Vivica Fox, and there is a styling video and review up with this, okay? So look for that. Today I'm collaborating with the Wig Company.
The Wig Company, the Wig Company, the Wig Company, the Wig Company.
I always slow myself down. I can slow myself down in editing. I don't actually have to do it, but it doesn't stop me. So we're here, we're doing it. Okay, so I have another wig from the Wig Company, and it couldn't be more drastic than this. So we have Trending. I have Trending in the color R11S plus, and this is, you can find it on the Wig Company website for $89. I did receive this wig to review from the Wig Company, so thank you, Wig Company. Go see them and check them out on their website, on their Instagram, and just go and do it, okay? So today, this is who we're talking about. This is Miss Trending, okay? Very short little pixie situation here. Oh, she looks like she has a hickey. It's lipstick. All right, let's just, there we go. I really like this sort of feathered situation. This is, it's soft, but it's fairly textured. And like I said, yeah, this is just her little card here. So let's get her off. Let's look at her cap construction. This is a full cap wig. There are no combs in the front. There are no combs in the back. There are adjustable Velcro straps. This is a very, very lightweight wig, so I think it would be great for summer. It's super hot right now, so this is going to be definitely different than this, and I am looking forward to putting it on. So let me go ahead and get her together, and then I will come back with me thoughts. Whoop. I never know what I'm doing. I'll be right back.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Back, and this one is so cute. I love this color. I really like this sort of piecey style. Like, I did it a little bit. I got this like little rock and roll thing going on, so I did a little rock and roll situation. I'm gonna smooth it out in just a minute so you can see that it can do that too, but let's look at her from the back. Let's look at her from the back. All right, here's a side view of her. Yeah, I really like how it's hugging the head right there. The coloring on this one is so nice because it's this more solid color here, and then you just have these like gorgeous highlights right in here, and I just really like that sort of style, that sort of coloring. Ooh, so cute. All right, let's smooth her down so you can see what she can look like smooth down. So if you didn't want sort of a rock and roll style situation, we could do sort of a more of a smooth situation like this. Oh, that's so cute. You could do like a little, oh, it's bendable ear tabs, sweet. Yeah, I kind of like it like that. Just sort of, I really like this. This color though, stunning. Stunning. Is this the R11S Plus? I'm pretty sure I have another wig in this color, and I love this color. It is sort of this medium brown underneath here, and then over top is sort of these like golden blondes, and then these like icy, you know, more platinum type blondes. But the way that it's mixed in there, it just looks so nice. I feel like this is kind of one of those versatile wigs because you can sort of finger comb it through. Like I said, you can, you know, make it more of a rock style situation. You could do more of a tamed thing. So even though it's short, I do feel like it's versatile still. It isn't a ton of hair, so I think it would be so good for the summertime. And it's really comfortable. I would like to put like maybe a hair accessory. Oh yeah, this is cute though. This is so cute. I really like this. What do you think? Yeah, I think this is a really great choice if you like short wigs, if you're looking for something for summer. You can put like a little headband, little cuteness, you can gruff her up, you can slick her down. She's very, very comfortable, so I definitely suggest this wig. And like I said, all the deets for where you can purchase her are going to be down below. Okay, and thank you so much to the Wig Company. They're a great company to work with, but they're a great company to order from. I have ordered from them a ton of times as like just a regular customer ordering, and I have really had some great experiences with them on both sides. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so please go ahead and show them a little bit of love over on their Instagram. Visit them on their website. Check out this wig trending in whatever color you think you would like. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.